Previously, Sandra joined us on our trip in Indonesia where we had a chance to live her lifelong dream to experience the Balinese culture with her. We've had a lot of fun so far. This week, we are continuing our trip as we make our way to the east of the island, all the way to Amed. For this video, we had the pleasure to try tons of local food, visit a local market, see a volcano during sunrise, and go snorkeling. This is banana.
Yeah, like this.
We'll take this too, yeah.
This?
Yeah.
No.
You take fritters, right?
The whole bag full. Show me. Oh wow. Can't get fresher than that.
So good. What does it taste like? What's inside?
There's some green and some vegetables. Carrots, maybe potatoes. It's all shredded. It's all very fine. Not over big, but soft. And it's like smoothie.
Very fragrant.
Fried jackfruit.
It's steaming hot. Look at it. I think the beginning of this temple set the tone for the rest of our time touring it. Before the shuttle even stops at the entrance, there were already these local women surrounding us to try to sell the temple offerings. In hindsight, I think I would have been more open to buying from them if I didn't feel like they were pushing me so hard. It was a very overwhelming experience. I already felt like the entrance of the temple was more expensive than the rest. This just didn't help.
This is fruit. This is the tree.
Rain, 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive Hush, fame, 그 Grammy 너를 take 매일 갖고 싶어만 생각하면 높이 날아 I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now It's now or never, babe
But the Bali garlic.
Yeah, it's sweet. Sweet, hot, and spiced.
Like it?
What's it little? Sweet, hot,
Sweet, hot.
soybean.
Soy, yeah, that's me.
It's an Asian, like, dessert, kind of.
It's quite nice. It is, I think it's green lentils.
Mm.
Yeah,
Nice.
that is nice. Yeah.
Would you get it again? If you had a choice of a
I
snack?
think so.
Nice.
Sugar, anything sweet, right?
I think it would have been a better experience if we took the bowl and the spoon.
Eating a honeydew. Sure.
Yeah?
Yes. So refreshing.
Nice. It's very dense, the meatball, I think.
So
Ah, terima kasih.
Thank you. No, it's very nice. Definitely spicy. But not half spicy, but a good.
It's black pepper, right?
And certainly Indonesian spicy.
This is what it looks like. It's dry. It's a dry fruit, which is not, you don't get that very often, but it's good. It's like, it's a lot of meat. Like, for example, the fruit is this size, meat except for like a pit like that big. But usually,
Thin peel.
yeah, it's thin, like
Comes off clean.
yeah.
I like it. It's almost like a pear. A little like not overripe pear. The
It's kind of like
texture.
a peach, kind of.
But not juicy, so it's
Not
not a
juicy.
messy. It's very clean to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Am I right to say it's a little tart?
Yes. Yeah.
I want one.
Yes. There you go. I approve.
Okay, we're speed walking towards our snorkeling spot because we're late. We're supposed to be there at 9. What? Walking.
On the boat, on film duty, as always.
Relax slowly, relax.
Yeah.
Okay, we're back.
Done our snorkeling, we all showered, got the salt off, and time to get some food. It was really good. I enjoyed it. Did you have fun?
Yes. First time I saw turtles in the water.
It wasn't really the first
Yes.
time. Oh my
Yes, we
gosh.
like
So many
turtles.
turtles.
Yes. So close too. I almost could touch it, but I didn't.
It was really fun. I did get sick. because I forgot to take my medication this morning. So I think I missed how much of the snorkeling? Maybe 50% or maybe more than 50% of the snorkeling. But I did have fun. I think I just can't stay in the water as long as everyone else. I noticed that when I go on water tours, I just get out of the water sooner than everyone else. I liked it.
Got pulled behind the boat. That was good.
Yeah, we did the snorkeling line, they called it. Because you're just being pulled along, you see so many things with little effort. There were so many blue starfish.
Yes.
I think that's the first time I saw blue starfish ever. That was really cool. And it's just right there. It's just like across the street. And not busy at all. Like compared to the Gili Islands, is very little people. Suroy saw some eels that he freaked out about, like out of the water. You're just like, what the F? I'm like, what the heck happened?
Almost dove right into a garden of snakes.
It wasn't snakes, it was eels.
I didn't know that at the time.
Oh. Anyway, we're gonna go eat now because we're so hungry. 2:30 and we haven't had lunch yet, so let's go.
Shaved ice with condensed milk, salad. Oh, that was a lime.
Like rose flavoring.
O'clock in the morning. Someone wants to see the sunrise.
You're gonna enjoy it and thank me later. You're gonna say we'll do this every morning, the sunrise.
Made it.
Yay.
How you feeling?
Good. Is where we're watching it from?
I guess so.
It's a good spot.
Yeah. Much better, right? Wow. Look at that. We are at Bukit Cinta to watch the sunrise. Currently, we're right in front of Mount Agung. And I think the sunrise is like that way. So it's not exactly right in front of us. But this is so nice. We woke up at 5:15. Left at 5:30. Some coffee would be nice. Oh, if you bought some coffee, oh, that would be so good.
Nothing to do with what's that?
That one? Yeah. $10 a night.
Fingers crossed.
We're booked and ready to go.
Ready to go. Just ready to go. To travel another 6 hours.
Yeah.
7 hours.
At least we know where now.
Hopefully, get there at midnight if they let us in at midnight. We might sleep on the front porch. So are we going to the next vehicle or are we going
All the way.
7 hours and there's 3 plus 2 beds.
Good job, guys. Ready? You ready?